Do you want to create a professional portfolio website but feeling overwhelmed by the process? What if you could have a modern, fully functional portfolio site ready in minutes? Stick around because by the end of this video you will know exactly how to make that happen. Hey everyone, I'm Ishan from SyncWin and welcome to SyncWin Tools YouTube channel, a place where we talk about tools that can help you build your business online. Today I am excited to showcase ProFolio, a modern all-in-one website template kit for bricks builder, powered by automatic CSS that's going to make building your portfolio site a breeze. Whether you are a freelancer, influencer or business professional, this kit makes launching your portfolio site effortless. So without taking any more time, let's see what makes ProFolio stand out. First of all, ProFolio is more than just a template. It's a full-fledged website template kit. It includes all essential pages, home, blog, about, services, contact and more. No need to piece random sections together. Just install and you are ready to go. Next up, customization. Thanks to Bricks Builder's drag and drop functionality, you can easily adjust, swap or rearrange sections to match your unique style. No coding skill required, plus it's built with automatic CSS variables, so tweaking global styles like fonts, colors and layouts is a snap. And of course, a great website needs to look flawless on every device. That's why ProFolio is fully responsive, ensuring your site looks perfect whether it's viewed on a phone, tablet or desktop. And with clean bloat-free code, your site will load faster, resulting in higher ranking on search engines. Now, who is ProFolio for? If you are a freelancer, a professional building your personal brand, or an influencer wanting a slick online presence, this template has you covered. It's designed to help you stand out with modern functionality and a polished look. So if you are looking for a modern, high-quality portfolio website without the hassle of building from scratch, ProFolio is your answer. If you are thinking about adding ProFolio to your toolkit, head over to our dedicated showcase page for product details, resources and any running deals. You can also visit the official product page for more information. The links are right in the description below. Also, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more amazing tools and templates like this. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.